Muyake gima mwancho muriye bugetaseni kia Ndizi TV no gasemera kwane buna kwabere ko gotwara sabato erengi ya kegima ne biro bindera ndengo kwaligania asemesa ya mangana maya elindengo manye nara yabasaki baito babere bagotwaliganira korwa chingongo chensi inyechense asinsemo chichi mitandao asinsemo ya Facebook nabokwenda gutobwatia gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabega sensemeri ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website nabotunya gwetera www.ndizitv.net ireterane FRIDAH KERUBO nolio kwene kyabuna chibi channel yogira gwekera sole asenchira ya bene nere Abigael Nyanchama asinsemo chebyarkelyo nigo tokobwaterana nere LYDIA MOSE chinga kitoroche magega yabamenyi bensemo yegesa korobekana kubwatkana no kubura kwestima nigo bono ababwatani kurwa sensemo ya Kenya Power emambia ya lero baba kuimukia egetambukiro nabo igoko bayiraniria omulero gwestima nabiga sensemende nigo abisi yomo women rep we county ya Kisii dorisabuli babere bakobwaterana na ikyombe gosina babwatani korwa asensemo ya Kenya Films elyo kwaneke bunankurwa abale amayigiro gocha ase abasai tinde kwaneke bunanko igenda yabale ase obogima bwabo mwancho muriyelia na mange nkwaliganetie ase omogorobolero toska tonyegera ngwira nanda segekege KERUBO elinde mbengo kumanya amange asenchera iyobikirano Mwancho murigereria yango kwaligani bene linde tobeto gusanga asobwamo gochakabono iga goika omoelio AMAYIA yebire bigani gotoko yachaka korase county ya Kisii asingo kumenya buna abisi yo women rep we county ya Kisii dorisabuli kubwaterana nababwatani korase nsemo ya Kenya Film Commission nigo babere bakorwa amayigelyo gocha ase abasaye gwetania chimibere elinde kutwara obomanyi webirengo bigormono asamangana alengete chinyumba cyubararia okwana women rep dorisabuli nigo anekebna nigo omorobilyo yo orabe ko gosira abasaye abange linda kwanekebna nko enyorera bale amabaga yemeremo ase obugima bwabo boigoni gabaga kwenekya emichando abere go service yaye yabereke gotwara anekwanekebna emerobilyo ahungu ikirani gwere yo gosira abasaye chingaki anekebna nigo chibesa cyabere chikubwato kwa chinge echo cheirire anene obokoreri goteneni wakole nigo aliira ochikwanekya ngango sirale abasaye bande asebirengo anamono asogo chakia obonchirelia nabo igokweneke bunanko gachabale enibo yabo
met any group and you see that the group is very vibrant, the group is ready to learn. When I was talking to the teachers, they told me that this is the most active class that they've met. I didn't want to take that as just a light talk. I've decided to take the 200 learners. We start officially our Kisii Sweethearts self-help help group circle so that we see apart from filming what else they can do with the small initiatives that will come from national government affirmative action so that they can either start businesses or if not businesses they can invest their money. So they are the best group. They come from different constituencies. Kisii County has 9. So they will be our representatives in reaching out to the entire Kisii County so that we can have a big number of these self-help group. It depends, you know, you don't do one thing. The other day we were educating on computer. We went to Nyamira, we did mentorship. What can make us not to reach so many people or to have a replica of these activities is the small amount that is being allocated in the office of the woman rep. If we had like the 13 billion that the governor has, my friend, we will train even pilots. There is nothing that we can't do. So we move with what we have. ni ku reach out to the youth. You reach out to the people living with disability, vulnerable groups. So today, I'm very excited about the Kenya Film Commission and Kenya Film School for giving our students skills. Skills are very helpful. If you have no skills, even in communication, if you don't have any communication skill, you will miss a lot because information is power. You will know nothing. Now with this, our latest world, technology is given #1 priority. So I've prioritized this so that when you have this engagement, they've learned so many things. Even when you invest in social capital, when they make friends. Tomorrow or another day, you will find someone calling each of the students maybe they were schooling with. They socialize, they share their problems. There is much that we can engage our youths and make them to be better people in our society. Thank you very much.
Chinga kecho boigo nigo abasaya boba bakogokera omurobiryo na boigo kweneke buna obokoreri bwabo nigo burachikoba obwekerengo kigoromono kobwatkana na maigirya yobabiri bakonyora ayo bakagoika omoelyo litko lyarero okwana chinga kecho murobiryo nigo babolia abaribande ko babwatesia elinda kweneke buna abasaye ngokonyeka bale amatuko abosyo asiba bakumuiranira mbyamono omo women County ya Kisii Dorisabuli na boigo komugania kogendera gusira abasaye bande imeyorogongorwa Gusii.
Known as Gusii, I'm a boss lady, I'm a business lady selling maize, Darajambili and Nyanchama. I'm a blogger and I'm on Gusii TV, also as a reporter and as a camera woman. I can say I came here just to study about filmmaking, being a producer and script writing. And for sure I can testify I've gained a lot because if I were to go to school, I could have paid a lot of money, that is 8,000 and a film commission and film school. But due through our women lab, Madam Donya Doris Toto, she has empowered us and now we have skills that we can go outside there and teach others and do more films and more producers and produce good shots. To me, I can say thank you, Mama, and I've never voted actually since I got the ID. And today I had that mentality of he's not my family, he can't help me, he will and help his family and maybe the relatives. But from today, coming another election, I will stand with you and I will vote for the first time. Those guys who are outside there, when any chance comes across, just try to be in that chance. You're gonna gain a lot. As for me, I've gained a lot, and thank you.
My name is Geoffrey Machoka, just a beneficiary of this program. Tumefurahia sana kwa Mama County amehakikisha kwamba tumepata haya mafunzo. I'm from Nyaribari Masaba na ninafurahia sana kwa kazi nzuri mama anafanya. Hatutaendelea kusikiza maneno from the other side, but tutaendelea kumshika mikono because amesaidia watu wengi from different constituencies within Kisii County. Hii ndio maendeleo ambao Wakenya tunataka. Otherwise mambo mengine sitaki. Na kuna viongozi aina tatu. Kuna viongozi aina tatu. Mmoja ni kama chakula, hatuwezi kumwepuka. Huyu ndio kiongozi ambaye hatuwezi kumwepuka. Kuna kiongozi wa pili ambao ni kama dawa, tunamtafuta wakati tunamhitaji. Hao sio viongozi dhabiti. Na kuna mwingine ni kama maradhi, hatutaki kuwaona maishani mwao. Mama County umetusaidia sana na tunashukuru. Kenya Film Production tunawashukuru kwa kuungana na ngao kwa kutuletea program hii. Tunashukuru sana Mama County. Asante.
Magega yokorobekana kwenekigwa asensemo yegesa ni goli tkolia lero abamenye benseme yoba bagotwara omweso magega yababwatani korwa asensemo ya Kenya Power babagwikirana asechinsemecho nabo igoko bayiraniria estima osanga nigetaseni kya Ndizi TV nigo babakogokera egetambukirekyo chinga kibera buna nigo obokoreri bwabo obwabere bogotenena asegeka bono borachiko babokogendera kolende nigo okoboligwa kwa ruga gucha asabamenye bensemeyo abuba bekeire omurero westima asenchera etali endonge kweneke bunango talira bale ABC cha Kenya Power nabo igoko bwatia chinchera chichibwenerete elinde kobekerwa estima
location wa Kenya Power mbuyamona soko irani estima market yegesa magati sabera umustu wikiseta wati umorega sengencho etrasoma to wata ya yete osega kuro out kono bayira ni nare kotebia abantu baito begesa na kenyengi mana Gusii uyo tageto umorero tiogenda obisi wa pura umorero tageti physical connection ego tayagera transformer ya twara bokong ya pakaya jago pro igo dende tigato tebenga bajara eto estima bande Kenya Power na bali kwa teleco connections kwa karero iga kobuto ruche lakini tiye chikukura sobo egere na yogende ora cheste no the west or westima to Kenya Power
yes
kubeke stima o so mundo tamanyeti it's very strong na ende yira cha kole tobo ko yema
asa Marieta na inde Francis Mwebi Soroi inche noli mo kadwegesa asestima ya lete sida rero igana tuaboka tuanyora na amangana chenche ndabuya tugeta tebana tokwana iga mukuri riga estima ya itu ya chire ritan kabisa tugeta Kenya Power so correspond tunashukuru itore twagokire mono twatebire mbiya mono abantu ba Kenya Power kwa jumla amono mukubwa tenilete no alega kule na mono yo mintore ne chief ito area chief tunasema ni asanti wali bagwa kilise tokobwatirana otorete estima ego toko teba ngelina estimate kia abere go twana muchando twakwana tomo kubito tubera ga tosomiga atosomende twaigule otebire na toko mancha toko saba kera estimate ya kutwale problem babwango baminyoka baika go tako eside arakanire elinde yasukuru mapema ekiara kulingana bato eresire twabere toko mukubo beirega tukune mukubo tenete olega abere ago toresira mangana maya agere twasoira mongo ite twabwate kero ya mo area gaigisa
Gotikana nayo mwanchi umurigereriani gotokwenda EMAYEMO goika county ya Nyamira asingo kumanyabuna nigo egati ya bamenyi korwa sensemo ya Nyansiongo babere bagwesoke bene nabo igo koboria ikyombegetene tobochori nechimbebe ABC abo bisaba bebakora ligwa bene elinde kwena na ribaga ase obochori gokorekana ase wodi yo kokwana oyo koligia KERUBO kyobo MCA ase wodi yo ayubutumbo nigo aberega kweneke buna nigo wodi yo yabereke gotigara magega ase nsemo ya magendero na nigo babwenete konyora omorai oyo rabega kwenekeria abamenyi bense meyo ogoskabosyo Morikito Polycarp Okara nabakagwikirana ase nsemecho nabigo gotwariganiria oroboti rokubwatia
abasaba iga bagokwanemeye kanyero gya Tinderet kigigotoke meje wadi ya Nyansiongo niko bagendere ko babakwerera buna bagende ko bagochandika samatuko ari magega
Nyansiongo amaendelea ni maega asinyejo umurai nduranyora murai ura turai Nyansiongo wodi twagete chikura last time twakachikura buya tukakura tukakura alafu mbea makosa ratoka
niko bagotibabuna hagesa chikure jo nyara ko bachigotiranirwa moneke gambero nigo amagendero araterire meye wadiga ya Nyansiongo egento kolengana na barabo baburirie uburayi kunyara ko babokubekwa kiralio nenjire ya muyuko bachora baraya wora nyara ko bakonyeri kwegenderia samatuko alibosyo
leta abantu ba Nyansiongo wodi mocho ora IPC ya choru ya koriru tomanye gotenena twakachikura kucha umurayi uri twanjete nigo entura tebuna basaya ba Nyansiongo wodi nabantu bose ba Nyansiongo wodi Tuerende maega si meti chiko disini kiachira tambe sana. Kaji na tamu mete minute na tuerende maega si jamantrai ibito biasari kile Nyansiongo wodi.
Nonye nabo niko bagende ko bakoboria ababunge nabego nabaseneta kwajeriria engane igoro yo cross wagwe kyombe kyobochoria munechi mbebe kya IEBC nenchire yemo yoko nyara ko bakobeka lituko lyobochori kirario elio kunyara ko bagochora umurai yora bakonya samagendra seke kiga getigarete
astrondi to wakachipura Nyansiongo magosaka toka ari Nyansiongo wodi urwabu ekabanga ngoira twarenge chikura ukirabona ndora gendo kende gino sike ndrete so twachora baraya bange nabono ari Nyansi ari toni ido akidauri ndobu atichononya asaba ngina kwaito bechiro bakwande etogo saba IPC ari wanje chorwira nabwango egere to irana twakachikura togendere mna chigodi jine chigandre
ningana jairwe na Ayubu Tumbo yo mabwa bali bakurigia ikaruge kiga kurwa soro ngoroiga oyo kugania engane iyo nyarako bagekwajererirwa bunenjira yemo yo kuba bose bole bwabo abamenye kurwa senseme chiga cha Nyansiongo.
Tupana Senator, I want to request you in a special way. IPC tunayajereria.
Igoro tenene buna buna youth na tuteneniga mega iko tutenene tuake chikura wango ama endelea sije miaka ya 100 sana. IPC tenene. IPC cho mapema.
Ingo ripoti kitaseni kya wanjete kya Ndizi TV kurugigase chinseme chiga cha Tinderet iyo tokeme yegwa diga ya Nyansionge county ya Nyamira inche kongoro kwa Polycarp okara
Mbiamano sana mulikecho Polycarp okara asogo twaliganiria orobot yoro asenchera yobwagale otigana nayo nagosika mutu asorobot rondeni gongo kumanya buna maigayo mugavana wa county ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati kwaina na amabuli abuli tkolegoro EYEMO chiokeroka nigo abonchereria kora senseme yo babere bagwesoke bene na boigo kogikeria engane yo osanga nigo babere bakoboria abaraikoro sorogongo rwa Gusii gotwara okoigwana na boigo gotiga koimukia amaberera igoro yorobebe ase omochiolio keroka kolende nigo baganirie omorembe kwene kigwa chinga kichonsi ase omorai Jafeta chochi abagako ene kyanga nigo barache komanya naki okorentwa gwesena ki barabe bakoigwana EYEMO chiokeroka na boigo kwa abonchiriria libagalia bene asogokora obonchiria bwabo oboikerano
nabo ibereria bya bakuriya ngiro yesterday asibitira sama buria kwa nani what by Simba Arati asengento yelibereria bya keroka iga asa atale makaka sinini akubunwa kerokene na karokene kare emongo yomoga kurubakoro mongo ya moga diana kuko igongo ko botika bana chibere cyanya ya Nyamira na Kisii baro kwancha baraguta banyene bachamo nabayigo babwisiruzi nirengia jesawa na inchi ikiagera abana inchi albakora biashara ya musumu kyokeroka batage tomolembe n'obwanjani nabego basinga inzu yega singia ebi abana baitu bana school na ba Jeftam banyore ikibesa ikibakora mu school nabo nalitulia lero ase mu kyokeroka yere korekana nga ibirindira abasikari kuri mu Nyamira nabati mukana kigari kapsaiga bachi ameti nabego abakeroka ramasa igonsi kuruiba chonsi arabesanya nabona bale maase kiro maiga bawuchukana koleta marembe dobwanchani ibana gusaba Simba Arati barasorwa yari nge gusorwa amagana ya yelibere aratu ngororo amakuru amabuli yara mabuli to nyanchite nanda bajeza bajatete bakorrega ibona gusaba kakitanga nyo marembe dobwanchani asama sikanino kaiwa balai ndicida mure balaiga juamo oye kego sinya mwa kubeka nenda magana mikando mulikia bakaka Nyamira County Kisii County abale baitana no muchokeroka ururigo magwodi kaichunu wodi bachamo abakaka baiga kwa surwa magana karabali yelire aki ainara na sabe SSM ya Nyamira na Kisii tafadhali amalembe no kwanje ndio maskani tuarade igentege koleta libera lina ndamano kutubosia ilitake dintu abanyabia sala na abanyabakaba batandutara kati kwa rubito ndebi
abarandi akorwa ase ekyombe gya Keumbu Pastors Prayer Network Association nigo babere bagwesoke bene nabo igokobolia omugavana wa county ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati kwani kibunango bwateranale nabarayikorwa ase county eyo anene korwa ase ebunge ya Nyalibali chache kubwaterana mu bunge za Hill Chanda nabo igokwenekia amagendero ase orogongoro chinga kyecho boigo nigo nigo abarandi abo baboririe omugavana oyo kwaneke bnango bwaterana ale nabarai korwa ase gesaku kyomo Gusii abo bare ase serikali enene nabo igo kwaneke bna orogongo rwa Gusii ngoskarole bosio ase nsemende nigo boiga abarandi abo baboria ogosirwa elinda kwaneke bnango genda bale n'inchiri yokorande lingana lyomonene mulikito daipo nasanya nabakagwikira nasi nsemecho nabayo gotwariganiria orobotiro kubwatia
chikanise chiga twachiramo asobwamo litukolia rero asama sabo
ekyombe gya Keumbu Pastors Prayer Network Association ikiye kubwatania abarai bechikanisa gwetania 30 kuri bunge ya Nyalibari Church nigo baumerana anene asogosabera county ya Kisii
kirenga gito kyatoleta iga nasengencho yogosabera constituency yito ne county yito ya Gusii egere nyara gutwara morembe
county yito ya Kisii na nonyene county yito bekaine ya Nyamira otosaba morembe Gusii yito actually Gusii at large enyara gutwara morembe teyo magendero teyo
kera abantu bare amo bagosaba amo bagokora emirimo amo ensege kogenderera
bakorawa no munyakirogo Reverend Abel Onchari nigo bakwanera ogo chamo no Gusii gwetera bara inobora yobuya elio koirorogongo rigarwa Gusii motwe
county ya Kisii twensi go tolegente kemo nande tutagete umugabano ito arebune president yeito anyare gotobeka amo buna umugusii tuigwanane amo na CS machogu amo no mochumbo ito Nyalibari chache bwana Sairi Chanda egere tutwara masabo amanene egere omorembobe
buraito mochorire ndia tokora magendero na magendera ye kararekanire twagoka amo 20 igo osaba goito bune kanisa inkorianga abarai kunama koranga magenderero omwako minyo kiro yonde naende tigango tokora magenderero elinde tunyare ko korera omugusii esabeta magendera maya
aratia ya nigonga omugaka obwate family omongina nabana aye nayo bwenta kubeka family yao amabuno omugaka ogambe asenkeyo egerenke yerorekane igonga aye buno omugavana bwe county Kisii bekango amagenderero alitwago chorerete oturae otworokereri mubwatane n'abamino bonsi asobwamo mo senator omochumbe na omogoko noringa intubwate omone bw'ikisemi mwensi mubwatira namo muturae n'entugusi yegenderere
gokwana imeye kanisa ya LYDIA eyogotoka omochio Keumbu nigo babolio koigwana hagati yo muwaziri w'egisemi Ezekiel Machogo mugabana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati amono mubunge usauti mugrango Silvanus Osoro
togo sabo CS Machogu baigwanane no CS no mugavano ito oyore Simbarati amona bonsi bali bakore emirimo amo na Silvanus Osoro nari Gusii ito iranyare koba egentekia mumengete butamba nga esiase embe amagenderero tayo lakini esiase ngiya ekerego korwa amagenderero ni gakobororo
ndonsi pia bantu kubale isiko abagusii ase bakoronyorekana batuka nga korunka ase bare obogambi mborororo inchaina aronda gotebi ngoyo minto Simbarati encheri kware goteba nga ajenetaya naende bono korea amaya Kisii yeito erorekane koba etaya
komenta nayo nigo baboria barai bonsi kobwatia chimbaratero chingiya cyomugusii iligo kinya egesaku kyomugusii
abarai aba baito mo bwati chimbaratero chamaremu umwesimi wa Simeon Nyachae niga begete abantu bonsi pigusii engima ko bali bo elimo
Ginko ripoti ligeta seni kia onambe ya mo kia Ndizi TV kurwase kanisa ya LYDIA egotoka omochio Keumbu imeye bunge ya Nyalibari chache elietalia nenkoro kwa dipon asanya
Mbiyamano sana muliketo daipa na asanya asogo twaliganiria oroboti oro asinchira yobwagari Otigana nayo nagosika mutu asoroboti ronde ni gongo kumenya buna nonyama gega ye serikali ye county ya Nyamira kobeka emerobele mekiranu asogo sangirelia ebango anemono ogotumika emitandao yekerero nigo abonchereria barange korora amatunda iyo murubiri uyo abarayikorwa ase chichiro 52 nigo babere bagotwara ebikaro ase wiki yiga na kumurikira alia abonchereria bagwetera animono asensemo babolirie eserikali ye kaunti ya Nyamira kweneke bunango babekera bale chitaya amache obwaga chibwe chipara nabayigo ko baroselia usiko baroselia ase bakogenda kebarana yande amange kolende nigo abonchereria korwa ase chiro ya miruka babete bagotwara ogotaigwana gati yabo nabayigo abanyanyimbo bakanjo iki kyabetege kwirira omuwaziri bw'obonchereria ase county ya Nyamira Bernard Maina wesona nigatina boyigo kweneke bunango sonsora bali enganeyo mulikecho Job Maangi nabakawikira nasi nsemecho nabayigo gotwaliganiria oroboti rokubwatia
Kaunti Nyamira nigendrete kubeka emeroberio ao anene mono aso kwene kingo kini bare ekerengo gikibesa kigosangirirwa wetera ase bango elinde kwene kingo kigokora bare amagenderero ase oboikiranu bagokwana ewiki emaga yogotwara egeikaro ekiabage koreta abonchire kuru ase chichiro 52 inse omwaburi omwanyagetinge business community nigo abarayi bechichiro ekyo babeire bagurwa amasabo abo gotia ase eserikali ye kaunti Nyamira ase babeire bagusaba eserikali ye kaunti Nyamira kwigora chipara chire maega yechichiro ekyo elinda kwene kingo korabare obosombi ase nchira yobororo
yonkuburia umugambi oito mugavana chinjere chiamagega nechengenjo mono sana nabura nyoro muntu kitako gechete waita magake kwe bacha kwanyore gwakore gentu kieke gwachire na ningo konya chire minisi yokoire gentu baka nyomba
oborabu na mache kobekwa ase chichiro elinda ko baororoberia obonchereria bwabo na kobakonya gokora obonchereria bwabo batabwati bokongu
ministers bao bagocha chichiro ao ekero bagocha baruchi minutes barika ebabeka minute au bunana kibacha takirwo chake gazi tigabateme goikerania buna boni gocha se chire ya magombo chodi chiyo street red chabege tuwe chinchoke chatolire ime muriro ono nchiri woka nonya nabo tware goteba nga renovation chikorerwe
ase babiri bagusaba obotumeki obya bwekibesa kigosangererwa korwa ase chichiro elinde kwene kinga nkonyora bare amagenderero
mwanya getinga mwensi ase mwaikaga chichiro chonsi pi buna chire 72 yotora atware wa omonuo yomo umugaba natalinga ngo senga goko kwasatole yotogo twara omonuo yomo nyantori gokorerwa buna tutagete yotora akane bango yorite ko mbuya mono
engana boigo yabage kwirera okungsanana egati abonjeria ase chiro ya miruka nabachogi korwa ase county Nyamira
miruke yene jire nene yayiboire chichiro chinde chinga twarorire bintu bigokorwa ntu waiga ntori bana turabanta abanene twachira moyo gotoretera abantu abatokwanira bagenda twakanga kora bari mune ibone ga wasiri atatebine saguri ya fata lero ntware gwanchanga tocha tuikaranzi bugana nde choge chake for 2 weeks kaba nintu twamweto burai abangina bamiruka inzu chandegete bagaka bari ko ruka bacha gukora byasara nabangina toko ruka twacha kurigeria bagaka nabana oikera gabana motebinga intoge ejiri na gabana ntoge ejiri
etabusa kerebe kibasa cya etabusa na ndete ko negwito ko baboigo ko babare ngora aso ogotoiraniria muna toko baboria maswali na marube toko likokere lakini bono yaikirase omofado ito nyangeri bwe komitia abenganere omwasirisho ito monene o communicate itane gavana gusasa abawaziri
asomo waziri wobonchereria ime county Nyamira Bernard Maina abaga sona nagati elinde kwene kinga nkogaya nare engana eye
wana nirenga bae serikali chingaki ekegera ntogenda tagushughulika make sure nga amangana ali baboletie twayaikeraniri egento twatebage gochaka immediately na match so that within 2 weeks a contractor etoko ikire site anyare ko connect ya match korwa certificate atabuke gocha gaiga chitanginchiro agere amacha yaswe banyare ko babutimya namanganare ayande ba begete ayande nabatebiringa twachote kamati ekurigeria amang'ana yonse ekiageraga gukata cross department ao
Ginko reporteria Ndizi TV korwase kaunti ya Nyamira, Job Maangi.
Mbiyamano sana mulikecho Job Maangi ansoko twaliganiria orobot yoro asenchira yobwagale. Unenchere ya moyo gokinia ebiegwa nigo chigosoli chokwegia chabere chigokolekana imeorogongo rwa Nyanza asiabete chigo chakali tukoria Alamisi na boigogo ika omoelio litko lialero. Chigosoli chio nigo chabere chigokolekana ase skuru ya Nyavururu imeye kaunti ya Kisii. Chingaki chiskuru gosomo barobwe chiskuru obere kokwene kigwa ase kerengo kigoromono. Linda kwene kebunango sana nibali na mamirania yo. Okwana omunyakerubo bw'ekigosoli ekyo korwa asorogongoro John Owoko nigo abagakobolia abayiboli kweneke bunango sire bale ebyegwa byabana babo elinde babagokonyeka asamatuko abosyo.
We started the activity on Thursday, 29th. Today is our final day, the third day, and the activity has been so good. It has really been entertaining. This is a very, very good opportunity for our youths to display their skills, and it is an opportunity because out of this, a number of the youths will be able to earn their living, because a number of them will be able to act. They will be able to develop their own content, and this will be a source of income and employment to them. As TVET institutions, the biggest challenge is we don't have any funding from the government specifically for sports and recreational activities like the drama, and we are looking forward to the government in the future at least bringing some financial support.
What I want to say is that parents should encourage their sons to do what I call dual system in their training. They take both TVET and talent areas, because I may be an engineer, I may be a good person in masonry, good in social work, but if I add my talent of music, I add my talent of drama, my talent in these areas, I can go far. And you have seen today in journalism, for example, those journalists who have an extra talent in the area of drama and comedy, they go far compared to those who are only basically journalists, or those who are serving, for example, in companies like Post Office, KPA, who have sports. They go far. We have even our athletes today, like Omanyala, is both a policeman and both are an athlete. So it is a double advantage. So we encourage the parents not to fight with their children when they have some talents in areas, but to encourage them that they both pursue their talents and pursue their careers.
Funzi kutoka vio vyote hivi tunafurahia, kwa sababu hiyo inaonyesha kwamba nyumbani huku lazima watu wamefanya biashara kidogo. Kadhalika hii ni kueneza tamaduni zetu na vile watu walivyoishi kitambo na vile watu wanavyoishi, kwa sababu hili ni funzo kuwa michezo ya sanaa hii inaongezea faida katika mtoto ule ambaye anaigiza. Kadhalika inatufunza maigizi kutokana na yale ambayo yanatendeka katika jamii. Hii michezo ni kioo cha maisha na ni kioo cha jamii, na hapa tunasoma mengi. Sio hiyo tu, watoto kupitia mambo kama haya ujifunza, na huku nje huunda hata filamu ambazo zinawalisha the way siku hizi hatuna kazi mingi pale, lakini mtoto ambaye anashikilia hii mambo huenda anafaidika. The things kama YouTube, hii vitu imekuja TikTok na kadhalika, vinasaidia sana.
Ogo ichirana kwa borokigwa okoboro kwebirasi na boigo aborokia ngati yebintu biri byabere bikoirania magega obokoreri asensemo yekisemi Litkolia lero muwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu Ombaki niga bakagwikirana imeye bunge ya Kasarani imeye county ya Nairobi asabaga kweneke bunanige serikali yaberege kubwatuka bilioni EYEMO ocha ase county yo erinde gosira obokoreri asensemo yekisemi chinga kecho boigo niga bagakweneke bunanigo chibese cyo kiraba kigubwatukwa ocha ase kibunge 15 erinde kweneke obokoreri obuya ase wizara yekisemi.
Kasarani has 30 public schools, Bwana CS. 30. 15 primary, 15 secondary. You would think if we have only 30 schools, those schools must look very developed and very amazing. Bwana CS, you'll be shocked when you walk into our schools because we have a very, very long way to go.
Actually, Nairobi, 29%, only 29% are the ones that we can be able to accommodate in our public primary and secondary schools, while 69% of others are in private schools because they cannot be able to get space in our public schools. And for that reason, this particular financial year, 2023-2024, we were given 1 billion, which we have given 58 million per constituency in our 17 constituencies in Nairobi, in order for you young ones to be able to find space in our primary and secondary schools.
Oboibi bwetugo nigo bwabere bokwenekigwa asensemo ya mtu ati na boigo chinsemo chinde cha Meru North asabamenyi benseme yo babere bakwemurunganiria okuborwa ko Bulindi. Mwaziri wo Bulindi boime kizore kindiki niga bakagokora etara ya bene goika ase county ya Meru na boigo kumirana nabo bisa bo Bulindi go kwana kora chinseme cyo nigo abagakorwa egekagi chigwiki ibere elinda kweneke muna oboibi bwe tugo wabere bogoika omoelio asensemeyo.
Any other area that is experiencing repeated livestock raids and the death of the citizens of this area from criminals who come to take their cattle. Make it your priority security number 1. And we, together, will work and eliminate this problem in the shortest time possible. Of late, I think in the last 2 weeks, there have been raid after raid. Every day there is a raid. Every 2 days there is a raid. This cannot be left to continue anymore.
Wizara hiyo bochenu inse yobora ibomo waziri Susana Kuminja nigegendete kubeka emirobire mekirano elinde koyene kyabunango kinire ebirengo byobochenu asense ya Kenya. Okwana chingaki abakagwikirana ime county ya Narok nigo airera emechando abasubati bagwetera anemono chingaki babeire bakoibora chingaki abagakoyene kyabunanigo ikinyagitari chitabwati asabana bakobekwa kwendeli tukulia rero nigo abakago sioria Talek Matano Newborn and Child Health Unit ase anekebna nigo abasubati barabe bago konyeka gwetera enyagitari yabana yabage koigorwa.
Kuomba gavana tufanye kazi pamoja, tukue na facility mingi kama hii ambazo kina mama wanaweza kuwa wakienda wakitaka kujifungua, ili tusipoteze mama hata mmoja wakati analeta uhai katika dunia.
CHP Talek Health Center currently serve an estimated population of 11,699 residents. With the introduction of this new unit, these services will now be extended to the majority of residents in Narok West.
168 million flagship telemedicine program called Daktari Smart. That is enabling children aged 1 to 21 years from rural, undeserved areas to access specialist diagnosis and treatment in 5 counties.
Moichano naboigo amagombo nigo abagakubwatanse asensemo ya Silibwet ime county ya Bomet magega yo musacho yomo goita abantu bane kolengana nabamenyi bense meyo nigo omugako yabakagoita abana baye bane oyomo bw'emyaka evere oyonde bw'emyaka 53 naboigo oyonde oyibwe emyaka 15 nemo gokwana nabaliki bamangana nigo baba bakugike egetambo kirekyo asibabulia serikali kweneke bnango kolere obutuki bwango nabo igokobeka byara omusacho yo oyo bakago chebichiko chinga kya bakago kora egekolekyo obutuko bogokera lero.
Upon receipt of the information, police officers moved swiftly to the scene and necessary action taken. The suspect, upon committing the heinous act, fled the scene, and the motive of the assailant could not immediately be established. The sub-county criminal investigation officer, Mr. Omwenga, is hotly pursuing crucial leads and will ensure the suspect will be brought to book.
Mwancho murigireria korwa soroboti urunongo ika omoelio bwamangana mayia asebirebiga kolende toskata nyegera chikoraga chinsa isato ayona mange ningo yaletera senchera yobokirano nabakwenda gutubwatia asensemo chichi mitandao asensemo ya Facebook gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabega sensemo ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asensemo ya website nabagotonya gwetera www.ndizitv.net maiga chikamera soko nikibna ebicha naboigo eliogiria gukira sole asenchera ya bene nere Nyanchama Abigael astinsemo chebiorkelio tobeto kubwatrana nere LYDIA MOSE na incheria ne FRIDAH KERUBO twara obuligeria borobya toska tonyegera asegekege KERUBO sio omorobelio bobosera bwenka ngochole asegekege KERUBO sio igo toska tonyegera kandi abatengere gataseni kya Ndizi TV obana bobwansu ubwo mu Gusii.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bwo mu Gusii.